Eternal Father, strong to save, whose arms have bound the restless wave, who bids the mighty ocean deep its own appointed limits keep. Oh, hear us when we cry to Thee for those in peril on the sea. Eternal Father, lend Thy grace to those with wings who fly through space, through wind and storm, through sun and rain,